Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to PayPal security key for stronger account logins, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the gear icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, find and select the security tab. Scroll down to the two-step verification section. Click on the option that says Update next to two-step verification. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. After entering your password, look for the option to set up a security key. Choose the security key option and click Get Started. Follow the prompts to select how you want to receive your security key. You can choose to receive it via a mobile app or a physical security key device. If you choose the mobile app, download the app and complete the setup process. If you opt for a physical device, follow the instructions to link it to your account. After choosing your preferred method, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once everything is set up, you'll receive a confirmation message. Now, whenever you log in, you'll be required to enter a security key. This adds an extra layer of security to your PayPal account. Remember to keep your security key device or app handy for future logins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.